Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gene Bytes. In this week video I am going to show how to host the WordPress website for free in the AWS. WordPress is one of the leading CMS in current world. So I will show you and walk you through the steps how to host it in AWS for free. Okay, I'm into my AWS EC2 console right now, and the region I'm going to show for this demo is Mumbai region. Okay, this is my EC2 console, and I have one running instance which I created for some other projects. Apart from that, I'm going to launch one more instance which will be my WordPress instance. Okay, I launch instance, and these are publicly available images. If you want to use one of them, you can use it. Yeah, but for the demo purpose, I'm going to use a predefined WordPress image. Okay, so the result saying that it is not available in the quick start catalog. However, it is available in the AWS Marketplace. So here I am going to use the WordPress certified by Bitnami and Automattic. This is the image I am going to use. Bitnami is a company which recently acquired by VMware. Okay, now if you see the price and cost, the software cost is almost zero for all type of instances. So you are going to pay only for the compute instance which you are going to build, and even I will tell you how to make this compute cost zero. Okay, in my upcoming steps I will show you how to make that. Let's search for AWS free tier usage limits. Okay, AWS is giving certain features for free or certain workloads for free, something for 1 year free, something for 4 hour free. Okay, and EC2 instance they are giving free for 1 year and almost like 750 hours per month. So what are the instance type covered under this free tier? For if it is a Linux instance, it's covered as T3 micro and T2 micro and T1 micro. And one more thing is depend upon the data center which you are going to host this application. Some data center may not have the T3 micro free tier available. Okay, and if it is a Windows instance, it will be again T3 micro, T2 micro and T1 micro. It is free for first 12 months, like almost 1 year. After 1 year you can create another account, sign up, and you can migrate your data if you want to continue to use it for free forever. Okay, so these are the list of instances available. In my demo purpose I'm going to use T2 micro, which clearly says that free tier is eligible. And these are my instance configuration details. If I want to edit, I can use it. Number of instance which I'm going to launch is 1. The VPC which I'm going to launch the instance, it's my default VPC. And advanced details, you can define any pre-launch scripts if you want to make use of it. And demo purpose, I'm hosting this website with or the website server with 10 GB of SSD. And tags are one of the very cool feature of AWS. You can make use of it. I'm giving some name for the tags, okay, for the easy identification. And this is security group. Security group will help you to access the website from the public and from the internal, which are the ports to be accessed and who can access, what is the origin can access, or what is the source it can access. Okay, I'm just removing the default naming and I put custom naming. It will be easy for you to in the future it will be easy for you if you use custom security groups, because over a period of time you will have lot of security groups in your environment and it will be a mess. Okay, I'm launching the instance. It's asking for a keeper. I already have the keeper enabled, so I'm going to use the existing keeper. The instance is getting launched. In AWS, instance launch is pretty much quick, so my instance should be up and running in a couple of minutes. Subscribing to the product, authorizing the rules. Okay, I can see the inbound is now launching. Let's go back to the EC2 console and see the status of my instance. Meanwhile, we can see the usage instruction of this particular type of instance offered by Bitnami, how to log in, how to get the default password, what will be the way to get the default password. These things can be explained in this documentation. You should have these documents handy because it will be very helpful for you. Okay, what they are saying is you can use that default username Bitnami and your private key, and you can extract the password from the instance itself, or you can get it from the instance log. Okay, and the other documents help you in getting started with WordPress Bitnami. Those details are in the other documents. I have given all these links in the description for your reference. You can make use of it. Now if you see, my instance is still getting launched, the status check showing it's initializing. I copied my FQDN of my instance and put in the browser. It's saying the site can't be reached. It means that the server is not fully up and running, still getting ready. Okay, to get the password of my instance, you can go to the instance log and you can see from the serial console. But in this demo I will show you the second step, how to get it after logging into the SSH session of your server itself. But if you want, there are two ways. It's up to you which way you want to get the password. Okay, so action, monitor and troubleshoot, get instance system log. It will help you to get the password. Okay, now go back to my server link. Server is ready. I can see hello world, welcome to WordPress. Okay, and wp/wp admin will take to my admin page of my WordPress website. The default username as per the document, it is user, and the password we can get once we logged into my SSH session of my server. Okay, and this is the password to get this is the command which I need to type in my SSH to get the credentials. I'm logging into my instance through putty session. I'm loading my private key. Okay, I'm into my SSH session. The default username as per the document I should use is not user, it should be Bitnami. Okay, enter. I'm into the server right now. I need to type the command which they mentioned in the document to get my default password. So the command will be sudo, I'm running it as a root for the privilege, sudo cat will help you to read the file, sudo cat, let me just double check. Yeah, it should be sudo cat / home Bitnami and Bitnami credentials. Yes, enter, and it will give you the default username and password for your admin access, WordPress admin access. Okay, copy this. You need to copy and paste it, or you can type this in your WP admin page of your WordPress site. User, and I'm pasting the password which I copied. Oh my bad, I think I copied it with the upper colon. Let me just copy it without the upper comma. Okay, it's fine now. I'm into the server now. This is my WordPress admin console. Here you can modify the pages, add install some plugins, or customize your website as per your requirement. If you have some of the free plugins, you can make use of it. You can change the themes, date, and even if you want to use it for a custom website, you can make use of the custom website. If you have a valid domain, you can make use of the custom website. Okay, and any WordPress admin can understand what are those things. My current version is 5.8.2, and these are default plugins installed. You can make use of it. And next thing I will show you is how to browse the directories of the server. I have used WinSCP and logged into this particular instance. and I will show you where is the default application path for Bitnami WordPress. Yeah, the default path is /opt Bitnami and WordPress. Apache 2 is the web service which we are using. Okay, it's inside the WordPress. If you log in, if you browse into the WordPress directory, you can see the list of directories and the PHP configuration files. Okay, you can change as per your requirement. Thanks guys. If you like this video, give a like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.